Good afternoon, traders. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free video, I thought I might just take a second and ask those of you that are participating in the YouTube channel if you found this helpful, right? This was the review that I brought back to you last week on Thursday afternoon, looking at CrowdStrike for some directional opportunity. And it just seems like spam dominate the comments, so I know that's part of the YouTube thing, but if you made some money in it, feel free to go back and really reference the setup, right? Because for me, this is being able to show traders the directional movement in markets can be predicted. So, the setup here, again, reviewing it from the afternoon of the 5th, was two closes kind of right there at the 21 EMA, and then a squeeze that is also coiled helps provide the movement that you saw on Friday and Monday. It doesn't hurt anything that I was looking at some flow data that complemented this as well. You start seeing all of these 200 and 240 call options for December that really start to get accumulated. That was a little bit of a helpful thing that I saw in that as well. So again, I want you to know that I don't bring you these videos as an afterthought. They're some of the best setups that I know of. And with that, now let's see if I can, if I can continue here with the Goldman Sachs example. You hate to lead with that, but I transition here into Goldman off of a setup that I found through Trade Machine. So this is through Ophir. You guys probably know his work. And I enjoy it by being able to show traders the historical record of an idea. So what we're looking at here is a trade that's been queried for the last year, is the data that they're looking at, and showing that for each of these run into earnings setups, buying the Delta 40 call 1 week ahead of the earnings report has yielded a 40% gain 100% of the time. Now, again, that's just a historical record. That does not guarantee that that's what we're about to see. But when I know that it's had that moment in time where the directional part kind of shines through, and then ideally you can also benefit in rising implied volatility of a Delta 40 option into earnings, just keep this on your radar as well. We've got some data due out Wednesday and Thursday morning that could be moving the markets. But if Goldman Sachs can get through 315, it's going to target 320. And if you can grab that little piece of it before earnings come out, I think there's some opportunity in it. So I hope you find the review helpful. You guys have a great rest of your night, and I hope to see you in the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. And if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.